Okay. Let's go to the college since we have already you have already got to know about me yesterday since I have introduced myself, and the people those who will be in the D section, they will be under me. I will be their coordinator. So accordingly, we can interact then. So now, first of all, I would like to see this that how many of you are excited to see your college and what does your college provide, what all facilities will you have. Let's see that how many hand gets raised. Okay, so many students are curious to know about your college. Okay, first of all, like you already
Hello,
have been.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, can you please tell me is my name is showing in the attendance because of net issue it got stuck between.
What's your name?
Isha Sapra.
It is there. Your hand is also raised.
I'm just I want to confirm that. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So I just want to know, like you have already been through with the brochure and all. So what do you think that we have in the college? Yes. Can we get to know from you? What all do we have in college? One by one, you can, start typing or you can start telling by unmuting yourself. Yes, please. Students are joining so late. That's so bad. Okay. Yes. Yes, please go ahead. Yes, please go ahead. Okay, let me start sharing my screen. I will be I will be, pausing in between because I have to tell about everything that what do we have here and how we are, going to locate that particular location or where can we find out that particular department, right? So let me allow to share my screen now. Are you all able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
so I'll
ma'am.
just start playing it. See, this is the front of the institution wherein you are going
Excuse me, ma'am.
to. Yes, yes.
Ma'am, can you make it on full screen, please?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, ma'am.
Then it will be difficult for me to add people. Just wait. Yes. See, from that front, now we have reached up to the reception, wherein we talk about that the reception is on the left side. When you enter into the building, you will see the reception on your left hand side, and the passage which is going towards the left hand side talks about your examination room, where students' entry is prohibited. Right? Only faculty can go and pick up the question papers or the answer sheets, but students are not allowed to go. On just bank opposite to your reception, there is a passage you are able to see. Are you able to see this particular, cursor? Yes. Are you able to see the cursor?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
See
Yes, ma'am.
this passage goes towards your admin office, wherein you will have exam cell. You will have the admission team office over there, and then you will have the administrative office over there, wherein you can have the in word and the outward of document, like receiving or sending it to the various departments. And the record keeping is also done in your admin department. Like when you talk about because since we are having exam department over there, so the records for the various tests which are conducted for you guys as CES or the presentations, these records are also kept over there for the entire session. And then just next to your admin, there is a director's office wherein you can find out our director sir and you can meet up with him, but only with the prior, if you talk about prior appointment. Without appointment, you may not get the chance to meet him because he's already having the schedule to plan out or to chalk out the activities, or it could be like to carry out the activities on day to day basis. Apart from it, like he's also conducting meeting with the students, he's calling out the CRs, and he's also meeting up with the student councils from time to time whenever time permits. And according to that, he is into constant interaction with the students. Students are being called to the director's office. It is not like that you people are not being called over there. If you are the part of these councils, you are representing your students over there, then you can always be called for that. Now you are able to see this particular the room, right? This talks about your account section. Account section talk, when we talk about the account section, it says that you have to pay the fee and all. Now the question arises like how are we going to go with the fee structure and all. So the fee structure है, basically nowadays people are paying it through net banking and all. And you can also make use of this Bharti Sehkari Bank since you are not there in the campus, so you are paying it online and you are getting your transactions done. But when you are reaching to college and you have to pay some fee or you have to pay some the sort of amount for any you can say examination fee, then can be done, but no cash is allowed. Only plastic money is allowed, plastic cash is allowed, or you have to get it through your bank only. And there's a one more important section for you, which is known as student support cell, wherein you can have you can give your requests, you can give your concern in return to student support cell, and you can keep the copy of that with you. Why I'm asking you to keep the copy of that with you? Because if you are giving it today, it does not mean that you will get the response today only. It will take somewhere around 48 hours to 72 hours. So, if you really need to go for the follow up, that what has been done in this particular regard, right? Has the response come from the respective department or not? And you are not being intimated. So that number, diary number, will help you out to fetch out the information like whether the decision has come or it is under process, or if you talk about this has been further sent to the confirmation, whatever would be the clause coming on that, they will let you know. Apart from it, putting your concerns, your requests, you can always collect your mark sheet from the student support cell. They will be planning out the things according to the classes and sections and their PIDs, and then you are going there to collect your mark sheet. And even if you are doing for some other college formalities, like if you have to go for NAT registration and all, that will be done by the respective class coordinator with the help of the exam in charge. But when you're supposed to submit the document, that will be done in SSC. No other place is there wherein you are going to give that particular thing. Now the question arises, where does this student support cell exist in our building, right? You all remember the place wherein you could able to see the staircases just 10 steps ahead from the reception. So you can take upstairs from there, and then once you reach on the first floor, it is just bank opposite to the staircases. You could able to see that student support cell. So at the end of the day, always make a note of it. When you have to put up any request, even it is for the attendance, you are not supposed to go to directly to CMS. You have to put that request in this student support cell. And then we have the college management system, that is the CMS, wherein our ERP is working actually. So that is situated in on the ground floor, and that place is also known as the PC's cabin, because every program coordinator of BBA is sitting there for year first, year second, and year third, right? So that is the place known as CMS, or you can call it as a program office. See, this is the account section. Now you can see to it. Are you able to see these staircases? These staircases, just to go up on these staircases, you will be able to reach to your student support cell. And here is a gate which is just next to this cupboard, that is meant for the exam cell, where students entry is prohibited, only faculty or the staff members can go. Or you can say it is also a part of the place wherein we can find out the stationery. This is the account section. This has come to the director's cabin. As we know that the director sir is sitting with some of the guests. These guests were called or were invited on the occasion of our cultural fest Renaissance. This is one of the mega cultural fest for our college, and it happens to be a fest wherein we try to rope in some celebrities during the inaugural, as well as if we talk about the star night, right? So the more efforts you put in, the definitely the fest is going to be a uh, rocking one for you. Reason being, the more you put in efforts, the more you can get output on it. So that is the reason. If we talk about, when we talk about this director's cabin, this is the way he's going to, he's having the interaction over there with these guests. So this picture depicts about this thing. So in this place, when you talk about, this is basically a waiting area in the director's cabin. It is not the exact place where sir sits. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पर क्या है कि you can always go and check it out.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you make me presenter so that I can allow the student who are waiting in lobby?
Sorry, I can't give you that right. So sorry for
Ma'am,
that. I will do it. I will do it simultaneously. Don't worry about it. I'm logging from the two devices. That's not a
Okay,
problem.
ma'am.
See, this is the amphitheater. Now, what happens that every event cannot be done in the auditorium, because auditorium is shared with other two buildings as well, right? Probably they will have the event, so you won't get the chance to make use of the auditorium. Or when we see that we have less number of students and we have to get the event done, we do not go for auditorium. And the painting competition, or if you have to go for, like, you are creating something, then auditorium cannot be used. Auditorium is basically used when you are there to portray your talent in the form of dance, cultural activity, if you talk about, or it can be used for the academic events, wherein we are conducting the seminars, international conferences, or webinars, right? So in this way, we are making use of this campus, this auditorium, which is just bang opposite to this particular amphitheater. See, this is all coming from the way from where we have entered. जहां से पीछे से हमने एंटर किया, रिसेप्शन आया, थोड़ा सा हम आगे आए, राइट जाएंगे तो डायरेक्टर्स ऑफिस आएगा. Then just adjacent to it, we have the accounts office. On the left hand side, we have the staircases which goes upstairs, and then just so now just you are able to see the area over here. This goes towards your auditorium, which we are going to see after that. In this amphitheater, we also have some dry pantry. You are able to see there we have two, one on the extreme, like both the on the extreme corners. The same way we have it on the opposite side, two on the extreme corners, right? So wherein we can have the dry pantry, as well as we can have something like if you would like to have munching something, you can go with it. You need not to go in the short breaks towards the ground, because obviously this will take your time to reach to the ground and then come back to classes. You can have your munching stuff from here only, and during your big break timings, then you can go there, right? Apart from it, when we talk about in this amphitheater, we can accommodate somewhere around 100 to 150 students, and this place is used as a stage wherein people are going to showcase their talent when they are going for, like, हमें street play करना है. अब street play के लिए लोगों को क्या होता है कि उन्हें एक open amphitheater चाहिए, so that they can be loud enough and they can uh, make people assemble over there. So यहाँ पर visibility is always good. People can see to them clearly what they are doing, how are they doing. Again, if you talk about in this particular place, you can always monitor it. You can always, अगर हम street play की बात करें, तो अगर हम first floor पे है या second floor पे है, तो हम वहां से भी इसको देख सकते हैं, क्योंकि this is an open air amphitheater, right? So now we are why these people are joining so late? So now we are moving towards our auditorium. Please mute yourself. Keep your factory with yourself. This is the auditorium. This is the newly renovated auditorium. Initially, the chairs were of blue color. Now the change colors of the chairs have been changed. And then, if you talk about when we look at this particular, auditorium that is equipped with your audio, video projectors and all, you can always run the presentations over here. You can, play the loud music over here. The speakers are newly installed, so the renovation has been done in that case, and you can always enjoy the fun over here. It has, green rooms as well on both the sides. When the performance is going on, you can change up your dress and all. Then coming out to be like, we know that you are going to have subject like computer application for business in third semester, and also we have the course running for the MBA as well as for BCA. So all of us need computer lab, okay? Because we have to do a lot much of work on computer, so for that we really need to have lab. And looking at the strength which we have in the college, because BBA, BCA, LLB, BBA, LLB, MBA, तो सब लोगों को लैब की जरूरत है. तो we really need to have sufficient number of labs over here, and we are good enough with that. We have 3 labs. One is on the ground floor and 2 are on the first floor. The ground floor lab is known as communication lab. ठीक है, वो basically हम किसके लिए यूज करते हैं? हम BBA या BCA के लिए यूज करते हैं. The lab which you are seeing right now, this lab is generally used for MBA or for PhDs, right? So herein, why are we, we have differentiated between these labs and all. When we talk about this lab is equipped with or installed with some softwares which are required for MBA, right? Whereas if you talk about in BBA and BCA में हमें BCA में we really want to have some programming languages and all, तो हमने उसके हिसाब से 103 and communication lab को prepare किया हुआ है. Then if you talk about coming out to be, when we talk about communication lab, we can always make use of it. So this is the way we are saying that we have 3 labs in our campus, and we have one mini lab as well, which is generally used for evaluation. That can be used as an evaluation center, or you can call it as that therein PhD classes are conducting, because the batch is so small. Hardly you will have, 6 to 12 students for PhD. So we do not require a big facility for them. So that is the reason the smallest, which is just opposite to this particular lab, is known as the mini lab, which is known for the PhD group. Now let's proceed further. See, labs are also equipped with these projectors and all, and there is a smart board as well. These are your classroom. ठीक है, आपके जो classrooms होंगे, it will look like that. So when you talk about your classrooms are fitted with ACs, and apart from it, if you talk about, this is also, having the sound system over there. The speakers are also there. Apart from these speakers, you also have that LCD projectors and all, so that you can conduct your classes in a modern as well as in a traditional way. अगर आपको board की जरूरत है, like you want to write something on board, then you can make use of whiteboard or the green board. Generally, we are making use of whiteboard, and if you really want to get, uh, to involve some technology into it, कि हमें PPT run करनी है, कोई video दिखाना है, then we can make use of this LCD project. You can see to it. This way, there is see, if you talk about this way, we are going to, have this kind of, projector screen is here. You can scroll it down and you can see to it. You can make use of the CPU from here. So all these CPUs are connected over here, and you can have the rooms which are equipped, functionally equipped. And if you talk about, you can also make use of the podiums over there. Podiums are there in the every class, just to groom yourself to be professional, because when we go ahead and we go for the meetings, at times we have to stand on the podium, and then we become hesitant to do so. Reason being, we never practiced it during our graduation or the post graduation time. So keeping in mind, just to groom you from every perspective, we have provided podium in every class, and you can always make use of it. You can even make use of the uh, space given over there. You can roam around, you can change your slides, you can have the slide changes if you really want to go for. College can provide you, they will simply keep your iCard for that particular moment. They will give you that particular slide changer, and then you can make use of such in accessories in your presentation. This is the library. Library is known as knowledge resource center. अब अगर आपको कोई बोले knowledge resource center में आपको जाना है, they do not make use of the word library. Do not get confused. Knowledge resource center is another name of our library. अब now this library has been divided majorly into 4 parts. The very first thing, if you talk about, you are able to see one gate over here, and you are able to see the decks on the other side. Okay, this place is known for the magazines and the journals which we have to read through, or you can take the newspaper here, because you don't want that anybody should be around me, because in this particular area less people generally go. This area is meant for wherein you can have the self study, you can do your assignments, you can make use of your notes, anything you can do over here. So this is the place. The only one thing what you have to do is silence please. But again, silence please does not mean that you are sitting in the library and then you are making use of your mobile phone. और मोबाइल फोन में आप क्या कर रहे हो, पबजी खेल रहे हो, सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट्स को यूज कर रहे हो. दीज थिंग्स आर नॉट अलाउड इन द लाइब्रेरी, सो बी केयरफुल. If you want to study, studies can be done, and if somebody is watching you, because each and every place in the campus is you know installed with CCTV cameras. So at the end of the day, you will be caught, and then the disciplinary action shall be taken. Opposite to this side, there is a this desk for the librarian, and then you talk about, there are bookshelves kept. I know कि PUBG ban हो गया है, लेकिन still some people are playing. Don't worry about it. Even I have people at home and they are doing it. So now when we talk about कि इसका जो opposite वाला area, that is meant for the books, wherein you can find out the book, and it's very
Excuse
easy
me,
to
ma'am.
find. Yes, please.
Ma'am, do we get a permission to bring our phone into the campus?
Yes, phone is allowed, provided you are making the constructive use of your mobile phone. आप अगर उसको लेक्चर के बीच में यूज करोगे, nobody will tolerate it and they will simply take it and put it in the you know, they will simply put it in the director's office then. ठीक है, तो
मैम
be
Thank
careful
you, ma'am.
about it. Yes, phones आपके allowed है, phones आपके ban नहीं है. Even you can, you know, see, if you talk about, we have been interacting with you throughout the time now on WhatsApp. ठीक है, so what we have done nowadays, like you have common one WhatsApp group for all three sections. Once your sections are divided, and according to that you will have your one you know, WhatsApp official group. So whatever the faculties are communicating or the students are communicating, they can do it with the help of that WhatsApp group. Because at times क्या होता है, जब हमें बहुत शॉर्ट नोटिस पे इंफॉर्मेशन देनी होती है तो वो हम ईमेल से नहीं कर पाते हैं. दो ईमेल इज एन ऑफिशियल मीडियम, बट वो ईमेल से नहीं हो पाता. So for that you know, for that much liberty we have, that we can make use of that WhatsApp. Otherwise we try to go through with the official medium only, right? So the phones are not banned.
मैम
Yes.
मैम can we bring our laptop to the library for the study purpose?
Yes, you can always bring the laptop. You can always take the Wi-Fi, you know, connectivity from the campus itself, क्योंकि कैंपस इज वाईफाई एनेबल्ड. ठीक है, अगर जो
thank
लोग
you, ma'am.
हॉस्टल की फैसिलिटी गर्ल्स अवेल करेंगी तो उनको वाईफाई कनेक्टिविटी मिलती है. ठीक है, दे विल नोट डाउन योर आईपी जो एड्रेस होता है वो आपका नोट डाउन कर लेंगे एंड दे विल गिव यू द कनेक्शन फॉर दैट, right? But again there are some sites locked for you guys. ठीक है, उनको आप एक्सेस नहीं कर सकते because of the security and the safety concerns. All the access cannot be given to the students, but you are always most welcome to bring your laptop. You can make use of it in the library itself. The only point is, ठीक है, आप वहां पर बैठकर दो लोग बात कर रहे हो, बट वो जो दो लोग बात कर रहे हैं डज नॉट मीन कि वो ऐसा बात करे कि चार लोग उनसे डिस्टर्ब हो रहे हैं. ठीक है, सो दिस शुड नॉट बी द क्राइटेरिया देयर इन द लाइब्रेरी. बट आपको मोबाइल पे फोन पे बात करना अलाउड नहीं है. कि आपको ये बोला किसी ने कि आप लेट हो गए, यू गो एंड सिट इन द लाइब्रेरी, और आप बोलते मैं लाइब्रेरी में बैठ के क्या करूँ, चल लेट्स मेक अ कॉल. तो वो कॉल वाला काम अगर आप लाइब्रेरी में करोगे तो फिर वो आपके लिए एक नेगेटिव वाला वो हो जाएगा. तो अवॉइड दैट थिंग. अवॉइड क्या, बिल्कुल यू हैव टू रिफ्रेन योरसेल्फ डूइंग दैट थिंग. इज देयर एनीथिंग यू वुड लाइक टू से और आस्क? यस.
मैम क्लास में कैमरा है?
Classrooms are also fitted with cameras. आपके classroom corridors.
Ma'am, what about the trips, like educational trips and all?
Educational trips for the last 2-3 years we are not doing it. Before that we have international trips as well to Dubai and Europe. ठीक है, लेकिन अभी लास्ट 2-3 ईयर्स से नहीं हो रहे. और आप अभी तो आप एक साल भूल ही जाओ जब तक कि कोरोना ओवरकम नहीं होता है यहाँ पे पूरा. यहाँ पे क्या, ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. तो ऑब्वियसली वी वोंट सपोर्ट दैट थिंग. Just wait.
Ma'am, do you have boys hostels?
Just wait for 2 minutes. I'll just take you away. होते थे. Yes. So after this, if you talk about, somebody asked me, do we have boys hostel? No, we do not have boys hostel, but we can refer you to PGs over here, which is in the vicinity of the college. So you can be there and you can pick up your stay over there. Then we can provide you support for that. Key references हम आपको दे दें. And girls hostel may be the like maximum limit is of 100 girls, which comprises of all three departments. That's for the this BVMR management, BVCOE engineering and BVI camp for MCA. तो वहाँ की तीनों buildings के 100 girls maximum वहाँ पे accommodate हो सकते हैं, right? So library we were talking about, just bang opposite to it we have the books kept on the shelves, and then behind that books we have the digital library wherein you can access to the digital data. अब जब हमें प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाने होते हैं तो हमें कंपनी रिपोर्ट्स चाहिए होते हैं, तो अब हम कंपनी रिपोर्ट्स क्या करें, अब हम ग्रुप टास्क भी करते हैं, कई बार हम इंडिविजुअल भी करते हैं. So what we can do is we can access to that library and we have the software called Provis over there and we can make use of it. Then over there we can also be into the kind of any PPT work you have to do, you can do that over there. So this is the way we can always make use of it. I will take your queries in a while. So till then, let me finish off this particular, video. And this is the outer part of the building now, so it is within the compound only. This is known as green circle, wherein you cannot go during your lecture, so do not keep in mind that during the lecture you can go here. You can always go to have leisure, but that leisure should take place when you don't have lectures. Yes.
Is there any
Yes.
sports?
Yes, we have. Let me reach to that. ये अभी पहले हमारा बिल्डिंग से हम जब बाहर निकलेंगे तो विल रीच अप टू द ग्रीन सर्कल. ठीक है, तो ये छोटा सा एक हमारा ग्रीन सर्कल है, छोटा, इतना छोटा भी नहीं है. वी कैन हैव मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ पीपल ओवर हियर, लाइक हम 200-250 लोग यहाँ पे अच्छे से अकोमोडेट कर सकते हैं, हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. इवन हमारे ड्यूरिंग इवेंट्स वी आर डूइंग सम इवेंट्स ओवर हियर एज वेल. Then you are able to see these two buildings. ठीक है, यहाँ पर आपको ये दिख रहा है, this one और this one, this is wing A और wing B. These are for the hostel, girls hostel का way है. You are able to see, find out the exit from here. See, boys cannot make use of this passage. ये जो दो buildings के बीच में passage है, boys cannot make use of it because of the safety and the security concerns of the hostel. ठीक है, so boys have to go from here. There is a doctor clinic over here. We have the doctors in the campus. He is available in the afternoon time, and before that we also have the first aid kit available in the college. And if anything happens to be out of control, ठीक है, so in that case we have the tie up with few of the hospitals and we can take the patient over there. Right, so now we are moving towards your canteen. अगर आप यहाँ पे देखोगे, you are going to Yes. So this area is L in shape, right? So what we can do is we can have fun over here. We can have, different variety of food. We have everything available in the campus. You need not to go anywhere outside. ठीक है, आपके पास यहाँ पे चाय. Pardon? You have Chinese, Italian, everything you have available over here, and you can enjoy the food over there. And then we have the the private counters over here as well, like the Nescafe we have. This one is basically for uh, uh, I don't remember its name. Then there's Timbuktu as well. There's Hearst Cafe as well. Amul outlet is also there. So you name it. Like if somebody is very health conscious, then they can take food from the Hearst Cafe, right? Because they are actually making food keeping in mind that we have to serve the healthy food. If somebody would like to go for like milk and something like that stuff, they can go up to Amul. So this is how we talk about. We are able to, we are trying to provide you the variety of food and try to manage the, crowd, because we already are having 2,500 students in our campus, right? So apart from that, we have BVI CAM and that BB COA BTech. So हमें वो crowd manage करना है, so that is why we are trying to have multiple options with us. If you are not able to get something from the canteen, you can have it from such places. Then now we are moving towards the ground. This is the playground wherein we have the volleyball court. You also have the cricket, and if you go towards that during our sports day, we go for the badminton court over there. Okay. In this particular playground, we can play cricket, we can play soccer or the football, and this volleyball, right? And we also have dedicated one basketball court. Those who are willing to go for it, they can play that basketball. And apart from this, we also have indoor games with us, that is the table tennis, or you can have chess, or you talk about carom board, you can play over here. The people, those who are interested in extra co-curricular activities, they can go to music room. Music room, we have this one. We have the instruments over there, but you can always bring your instrument, but you really need to seek permission for that. And all the facilities which are there in the campus, like अगर आप जिम की बात करो, बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट की बात करो, फुटबॉल कोर्ट की बात करो, फुटबॉल एरिया की बात करो, वॉलीबॉल की बात करो, you only can use it after 4 o'clock. रीजन बीइंग क्योंकि हमारा बीवीसीओई का दे आर वेरी क्लोज बाय टू ग्राउंड, तो वहां पे पूरा नॉइज जाता है. दैट्स द रीजन वी हैव डिसाइडेड द कॉमन टाइम. तो हम वहां पर 4 बजे के बाद अपनी एक्टिविटीज को कर सकते हैं. Then I was telling you about the gym. ठीक है. We also have gym. Again, times will be notified to you. There is no extra charge for it. कि आप ये बोलो कि मुझे जिम की फैसिलिटी लेनी है, तो what I'm supposed to pay, you're not supposed to pay anything. You can make use of it, right? So when we talk about this, we have. Second thing, I would like to let you know that we have various societies in our college. This question has also been raised by one of the students, wherein we have the very first one. I'm talking about the Flash. The people, those who are crazy about clicking picture, editing videos, they can be a part of this Flash. And in Flash, we also need some content writers. So we have that, the team, and which consists of about 20 to 25 people. Flash is under the, faculty members. If you talk about, I am one of the, in charge for this particular Flash, as well as Ms. Tripti Tiwari, who is also taking care of this Flash society. And other societies are also coming under with Ms. Tripti Tiwari. She's also taking care of the dramatics, that is the theater. Then we have this dance society. We have creative societies with us, which is known as Kalakriti. The people, those who have interest in, creating some posters, coloring, or if you talk about some creativity you want to go for, decoration or anything you would like to go for. Then also we have one, society with the name of your literary society. Okay, literary society is known as Kasad, right? Wherein you can have the poetry competition, or if you talk about your jingle writing competition. So these things are taking place over there. Then apart from that, if you talk into the academics one, we have Finanza, basically that's a magazine, or you can call it as a journal for the finance specialization, and this is under the Society of Finance Society. Apart from it, we also have student council. Student council की जब हम बात करते हैं तो हमारे माइंड में सबसे पहले कंसेप्ट आता है इलेक्शन, जैसा डूसू में होता है, ठीक है, डीयू में जो होता है, राइट। तो जब हम ड्यू की बात करते हैं वहां पे इलेक्शन से सिलेक्शन होता है, यहाँ पे आपका ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द इंटरव्यू सिलेक्शन होता है, वहां पे वोटिंग से होता है, यहाँ पे इंटरव्यू से होता है. सो देयर इज अ डिफरेंस. व्हाट यू कैन डू बेस्ट to give your institution, on that basis we are going to select you. हम यहाँ पे आपसे मैनिफेस्टो नहीं कराते, हम आपसे यहाँ पे वोटिंग नहीं कराते. टीचर्स आर हैविंग द राइट टू सेलेक्ट द स्टूडेंट काउंसलर. So this way, when you talk about, we have so many things. I would request your program coordinator to give one session on it, like what all societies we have, because I have told you in brief right now. And all these societies have their own logos, or if you talk about their own presidents, we also have ED club in college, which is known as ED Mentex. ठीक है, तो जिन लोगों को entrepreneurial activities में interest है, they can be a part of the ED Mentex. So this way we have opportunities with us. The only thing is that you have to be an opportunist. अगर आप खुद से you try to figure it out things for yourself, definitely you are going to enjoy your learning with BVMR. But अगर आप ये बोलोगे कि like BVMR is like a school, इतनी strictness तो हमारे स्कूल में भी नहीं होती थी, then it will be a problem for you to survive. So always keep one thing in mind कि आप जब यहाँ कॉलेज में आ रहे हो ना, डू नॉट कीप वेरी हाई एक्सपेक्टेशंस कि कॉलेज है तो वो डीयू का कॉलेज नहीं है. DU college provides so much break in between the classes. Herein you will have continuous classes, and then if you talk about, DU has different criteria to select students, right? You know the criteria very well, and we have different criteria to select students. So when you are opting for BVMR, you are not opting it by the choice of your the institution choice. ठीक है, आपने खुद से उसको चूज करा है. That was the reason behind it. Maybe it is close by to you, maybe you had someone who passed out from this particular institution, you got good feedback about it. There could be any reason for you all. ठीक है, आपके पेरेंट्स के लिए शायद एक ही रीजन होगा to make you join BVP कि that this institution has discipline. It teaches discipline to students. ठीक है, so that is the reason. Do not keep very high expectations कि हम कॉलेज में जा रहे हैं, हम बड़े हो गए, हम कुछ भी करेंगे. Sorry, this will not be tolerated here. You have to be very clear that what you are coming for, you have to go hand in hand with studies and fun. And trust me, if you are going to respect your teacher, if you are going to give love and affection to them, they will definitely give you in return. But the moment you become arrogant, you become dominant, nobody is going to help you out. So that is what we say when we are, even the guard, we are not going to tolerate that you are, doing some misbehave with the guard. They all are, doing their job. They have been defined some roles and responsibility, and they are following it. So this is what we talk about. आपको हर जगह पर आप जाओगे तो you will be able to see the guards. And moreover, we have people from different criteria, ठीक है, different segments. So we are not supposed to make fun of others. Bullying हमें नहीं करना, ragging हमें नहीं करना है. So this is how we talk about, because you all are filling anti-ragging form. और अगर आप कभी पकड़े गए तो if you will be rusticated, you never can get the admission anywhere to do your graduation. तो जो करना है मस्ती में करना है, कोई ऐसी इंटेंशन के साथ नहीं करना which is going to take you into the disciplinary action. Any other question you would like to ask? You feel free to unmute yourself and raise your question. Yes, please. Any question you would like to ask? Any doubt if you have in your mind? Yes. Guys, कोई question है आपको? कोई ऐसी चीज? Parking is not available for students. You have to park your car in the metro, corridor only, metro parking. There is no provision for it as if now, but down the line 5-7 years definitely there will be, because we are in the process of making a new building within the premises. Any other?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Is the badminton court indoor one or outdoor one?
We do not have badminton court over here. What we can do is, like, if you play badminton, right, and if you want to go outside to participate, you can always go for it, but there is no as such court wherein you can do practice. वो सिर्फ स्पोर्ट्स मीट जब हमारा जनवरी में होता है वो तभी होता है बस.
Ma'am, thank you.
हमारे जो इंडोर स्पोर्ट्स के जो प्रोविजंस है, वी हैव इट फॉर क्रिकेट, सॉकर और फुटबॉल यू कैन से, देन बास्केटबॉल, वॉलीबॉल, या फिर इंडोर में वी हैव इट लाइक टेबल टेनिस और योर चेस एंड योर कैरम बोर्ड.
Thank you.
Any other who would like to ask? And guys, when we talk about uniform, yes, somebody asked me about the uniform. See, uniform is actually proper uniform is not there, but you have to be in formals. हम ये नहीं बोलते आपको ग्रे ट्राउजर ब्लू ट्राउजर पहन कर के आना है. You have to be in formals, and formal means formals. अब वो आपको formals की definition you will get to know, or you must be knowing. Either of the cases will be there. Any other? Yes, somebody asked me about the class duration. The class duration goes for 50 minutes. The same as it goes on your, the online session. 50 minutes के आपके session होते हैं. And again, it is mandatory to attend, because 75% is the minimum criteria to maintain to get your 10 marks for each subject. तो अगर आप 74.9 पे भी अटक जाओगे, your system will not give your 10 marks. It is ERP enabled है वो, तो आपके वहीं से marks upload होते हैं attendance के.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am, at the same time, can we join the 2 clubs?
Yes, you can, but do not do at the compromise of your studies. You have
Yes,
to balance out your academics.
Okay, ma'am.
Right.
you,
Just say you come in the afternoon time. ठीक है, आप लोग afternoon time में आओगे. तो when you are joining any club or society, what you can do is कि आप थोड़ा जल्दी आकर के काम कर लोगे.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. So ये होता है, हम ऐसे जब हम किसी टीम को फॉर्म करते हैं किसी भी इवेंट के लिए, तो हम बच्चों को यही सजेस्ट करते हैं कि आप अपनी क्लासेस मिस मत करो, लेकिन आप अपने टाइम को बैलेंस करो. आधी टीम सुबह काम कर रही है और आधी टीम शाम को काम कर रही है.
Okay.
If we attend, somebody asked the question, if we attend, let me see. Yes.
Ma'am, is that like we have to wear the formals, right? So is there any
Right.
a particular day that you are like kind of free to not wear the formal?
Free not to wear the formal, then again you have to wear either jeans or t-shirt, and t-shirt again is the collar t-shirt. Girls are not allowed to wear top and all then. ठीक है, तो वो भी आप एक तरीके से ही समझ के रखो. आपको हमने लिबर्टी दी है, बट जीन्स पहनने की लिबर्टी दी है. डोंट एक्सपेक्ट कि आप जो है केप्रीज में आओगे या फिर यू विल वेयर वन पीस ड्रेस. दिस इज नॉट अलाउड. ठीक है, लिबर्टी है, जीन्स पहनो, कोई बात नहीं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अगेन रिप्ड एंड ये वाली जीन्स नहीं चलेंगी.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Siddharth.
Ma'am, are there any sports competitions in the college?
कॉलेज में देखो, मेरे को पता है कि सॉकर की ना आजकल डिमांड बहुत ज्यादा आ रही है हमारे कॉलेज में, और सॉकर ही बाय चांस से नहीं हो रहा था. ठीक है, ज्यादा क्या सॉकर हो ही नहीं रहा है. So what we do is like somebody put up the request for it, and he's in the final year now. So he wants to introduce soccer to college now. He wants to make a team. Let's make a team now. If we are having good number of students with good player even. खाली number of students is not going to suffice the team. ठीक है, तो उसके लिए हमें अच्छे players चाहिए. Let's think about it. I will ask that student, because he's under my under me only. So I will check it out and then I'll see to it. Okay, I will try to definitely incorporate it. अभी इनिशियली हो सकता है कि आप इंटर क्लास में ही सॉकर करोगे, लेकिन yes, you can always bring outer world to the college for these sports as well.
Ma'am, I want to ask that I guess if there is nothing like girls can't play football and all, like those who are interested in playing.
That is what I'm saying. You can always make your team, but you really need to have people with you. ऐसा नहीं हो ना कि आज तो आपने 7 लोगों को लेके टीम बना लिया, कल के हम तो बस 2 ही लोग रह गए हैं. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए.
Okay, ma'am. ठीक
है. Yes, Siddharth, you wanted to say something because we have to be very quick then.
No, ma'am.
Acha, somebody put up the question over here. Ma'am, if we attend class for short time, will the attendance be marked or not? No. Big no. Because online जो हो रही है आपकी attendance हम download करते हैं and then वहाँ से हम time stamp देखते हैं और वहाँ से we actually mark your attendance. ठीक है, तो there is no possibility of waiving of all such things. Yes, anyone else?
Ma'am, are there any
how many lectures will be there in one day?
How many
lectures will be there?
See, it will be 4 to 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Like your session starts either at 12 or 1 o'clock, goes till up to either 5 or 6 o'clock.
Ma'am, what type of clothes a girl is supposed to wear, if you said?
But you said the kind of clothes for girls. See, girls, there will be a session from the discipline team, so they will definitely let you know because I'm running short of time. What I can do is you all have my number on your group now, okay? For any other query, for any type of query, you can message me because I have to take the session for the other, batch as well. So sorry for that. But yes, you can always message me. Fest, Rajiv, I already told you about the Renaissance. That is the annual cultural and management fest, and wherein we try to rope in the you can say celebrity every time. Last time we have Inder Chahal. Before that, we also have Raftar. We also have B.I.G. Dillon and that Jazz. What's his name? I don't remember his name. He also J Star. TK. We also we are calling out celebrity. Like again, it is depending upon like what efforts are put in by the students to get maximum input to have. If you talk about the maximum output, then ठीक है, कितना ज़्यादा अच्छा लाओगे उतना ज़्यादा आपका स्टार होगा. You know it. So this is entirely depending on that. What about holidays? Holiday calendar will be shared with you. We have holidays planned well in advance, and we have holidays for Diwali and all. So for scooties, yes, there is a provision that can be parked within the campus, but not for the 4-wheeler. Anything else?
Ma'am, are
Yes,
there any badminton tournaments?
Tournaments better we do not have as such because as if now till now we never got this much of interest from the students. First time I'm able to get, maybe because you are joining. Once you join, I don't know where this interest goes then. ठीक है, तो इनिशियली जब आते हैं हमारे पास आए थे बच्चे, वो नेशनल लेवल पे खेल चुके थे. इवन देन देयर वाज वन बॉय, वो बहुत अच्छा एक प्लेयर था, लेकिन उसका एडमिशन हो रहा था SRCC में ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स. बट वही वाली बात है कि यहाँ आने के बाद उसने अपना इंटरेस्ट छोड़ दिया. एंड दो वी ऑलवेज सपोर्टेड हिम, बट वही वाली बात है कि लाइक हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू मैनेज इट, दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू. वी आर देयर टू सपोर्ट यू, दैट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. हमारे यहाँ भी एक स्टूडेंट है, he is a player of basketball and he has been to international tournaments as well from his own academy. ठीक है, तो we are not stopping, but at the end of the day you have to be enthusiastic for that. Is that fine? Yeah, okay, fine. Thank you guys.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
you, ma'am.